Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. I usually get run off the road by trucks and SUVs, but a sedan is new. Looks like they've got places to be. Not sure if they were an idiot or just hydroplaned, but it was definitely scary. Guess stoplights don't apply to idiots. Hard to tell from the cam, but the driver glanced over while I was honking and still decided to almost run me off the road. Some people think they own roundabouts. Roundabouts are hard, right? All that just to overtake a semi that's already passing. This left lane camper is crawling while trying to pass, then slows down right next to another car. Seems obvious to me, but I'm curious what others think. Seems like people have trouble with this intersection.
A few moments later.
Why are you using your phone while driving, you idiot? These are the people out there driving on the road with you. This driver needs 2 lanes to make a turn, then turns right anyway. I guess this driver didn't know the rules of the road. There's something about airports that really brings out the stupidity in people.
But you know, you can be done with all your money still here. Put your Christmas lights on. Those are upside down. Why is she doing that?
What the f?
Doesn't that kind of
God damn!
Come on, man. Me.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.